Welcome to my channel, Motion Morpher. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Mansory Pickup Truck, a custom machine built to turn heads, push boundaries, and redefine what a luxury performance truck can be. From the first look, this truck feels bold and confident. The front end is aggressive with a sculpted hood, sharp LED lighting, and a massive grille that makes the truck look powerful even when it is standing still. Carbon fiber touches along the body, widened fenders, and sporty wheels give it that signature Mansory attitude that separates it from ordinary pickups. Every line is designed to show strength and luxury at the same time. Move inside and the story gets even more impressive. The cabin is covered in premium leather, contrast stitching, and handcrafted details that feel more like a high-end supercar than a working truck. The seats are supportive and comfortable, the dashboard is wrapped in soft materials, and the digital displays are clear and responsive. Ambient lighting runs across the interior to create a relaxing vibe, while advanced tech features like navigation, smartphone connectivity, and driver assistance systems make every drive smoother and safer. Under the hood, the Mansory Pickup is all about power. Tuned for higher performance, it delivers strong acceleration and confident highway speeds while still offering solid control. The suspension is upgraded for stability and precision, giving you a smooth ride whether you are cruising city streets or hitting rougher roads. Mansory focuses on blending performance with style, so every launch and every turn feels special without losing everyday usability. This truck is not just about looks or speed, it also remains practical with a usable bed, strong towing capability, and smart storage solutions. It is designed for people who want luxury and muscle in one package. And now, the big question, the price. With all the upgrades, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, the 2026 Mansory Pickup Truck is expected to come in at a premium, with prices reaching into the range of around $180,000, depending on customization. Thanks for watching, Motion Morpher. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Mansory Pickup Truck, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content. And I will see you in the next video.